What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to get suited and booted here. Get the car over to Branson's. Branson thinks it's funny to make me drive this thing around town when I don't want to. That's okay. This is a street car. This thing's fun to drive around town. Don't need no AC. Don't need no regular seatbelts. We got these harnesses. Make me look super cool. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on. I got it. I got it. I got it. Just a street car cruising through the neighborhood. Hopefully no crowds are near because I will hit them. This is the crowd killer. Insert crowds here. Look at that, see? Just cruising through the neighborhood, no big deal. Just a street car, people. No need to fear. Do a little pull for the homies. Hey, what did you just say, Branson?
Nothing.
Joe's coming over and I said, why doesn't Joe drive his car? I drove my car over here and what'd you say?
Joe doesn't just cruise his car around town.
Why not?
Because it's a modded street car.
Oh, come on, look at this. This one's in. All right, so where are you at with the car? Got torque converter on?
The engine's in, it just hasn't
He just hasn't lined it up yet. So we are back with the massive crane. The biggest engine hoist you can honestly get right now in the world. Did he drive it?
No.
Oh, look at the shirt, look at the shirt. Plug time. Shout out RPG. Oh, look at this guy. Drives his daily driver, whatever. So he's got the torque converter already in there. He's just trying to line up, and we already knew this would be like the biggest pain in the ass, is trying to line everything up. Let's go see why Joe didn't drive the Trans Am. I need these questions answered. Hey, I got some questions I need answered.
I know David was here. I'm going home.
I said,
Branson,
I said,
get him out of here. Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
I drove my car. Joe should probably drive the Trans Am, right? Nope. Shows up in the SF.
Yeah, as you drive right by my house and don't even pick me up.
Can you fit
I'm
my
done
car?
with you.
Joe and I are not on speaking
terms.
I was hoping to see the Trans
Hi,
Am.
Branson. Do you need some help, buddy? Oh, dude. I've been fighting this thing for 2 hours.
Alright guys, Branson got the engine in. Shout out to Joe for the help. Shout out Manuel from Midnight for helping us realize what we were doing wrong. So Branson had a nut on there. Why did you have the nut on there?
I guess I
forgot to take it off. Yeah, that happens. So I forgot to take a nut off, but once we got the nut off, pretty much we were able to line it up. It wasn't too hard after that. So I guess what's next?
3 people makes it real easy.
For real. You need a lot of people. It's just hard to line up shit when it's like this.
Next will be all the torque converter bolts.
So get the torque converter bolts in, red Loctite, torque them down, get the rest of the tranny bolts in.
And the engine mounts.
Get the engine mounts, and then start working on the harness.
Yeah.
Really, it'll go smooth after that. I think like the hardest thing will be getting all the engine mounts to line up, but we have it on the hoist so we can jack it up and reach in there pretty easily. Then just kind of feed the harness around, start plugging everything back in, hook the fuel system back up, put the intake manifold back on. A couple hours worth of work, not too bad. But your birthday tomorrow, you working on it or no?
Hell yeah, we're working on it.
Oh shit.
This motherfucker's gonna be running Friday.
Woo! What do you say, Alyssa?
I'm ready. Let's get down with this.
Are you driving it first?
Oh yeah.
Damn. Damn. She didn't even hesitate. I like your style.
Look at all this weight right here.
Dude, cut it off, man. Just cut it all out. You don't need any of this. You should tube the front end while you're here.
Hey, take the windshield.
Hey. Yeah, take those off too. Streetcar shit. Take that damn sway bar out of there too.
How do I need to go on a trip? What if I need the sway bar?
For what?
I don't know. I don't even know what the sway bar does.
You ain't cornering nothing.
Is that all it's for?
Yeah, it just holds the steering, the front end nice and tight, firm. As mine feels like a canoe that's gonna flip over when I turn.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. We'll leave that there. I like that way.
So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully start buttoning everything up. I don't know. What was there? Probably like 3 hours worth of work.
We could possibly have it running tomorrow.
At least everything will be in tomorrow. Like we might not have the front end on, but everything here I feel like will be on tomorrow. And
Friday will be little shit.
Friday will be like cleaning up, making sure everything's hooked up, make sure we didn't miss something, filling up all the fluids. We got to put the piece back on that I stole. Shout out Dave. But we're moving right along.
We got to put the pump in the trunk.
The what?
The ice tank pump.
Oh shoot, we got to reroute an ice tank pump. Forgot about that.
Reroute it. We just got bolted in and put the hoses on.
Oh yeah, you
Not
already.
reroute.
That's right. Okay, yeah. So he got an external one. Which one did you get?
Miser.
Miser, yeah. So we do have to put a new ice tank pump in. If you guys don't remember, his ice tank pump actually was never working. So that's cool.
Probably why it blew up.
Probably.
No, his IET still aren't on Dave's level.
Yeah, I don't, my car's gonna blow up real soon, I'm sure. Shout out. Back in Van Voort's garage. What? What? What the? Dude, you got too many stickers, man.
John made it, so shout out to John.
Okay. John did the coating on this.
Dude, he,
This car was on fire, guys, last year.
it was.
When was that? January?
Yeah.
So, like, there was scratches. I mean, we had our hands all over this. I mean, we didn't even care. We were just trying to get the car home when that happened. So, this is the first time the car's like been cleaned up, really. But man, so what did he do?
He jacked all it up, took all the wheels off.
Oh, he did the wheels off.
He did the inside of the barrels, like all this. So there was grease on the passenger side. I don't know if you remember that, but that's where it caught fire on the right side. It's all brand new.
So yeah, guys, he had to clean up all that. Like, that was the thing. Like, yeah, the car was running, but like, I mean, this car was on fire. So there's a lot of mess to be cleaned up.
But he buffed the actual. And here, I'll show the light for you.
Oh, hold on, I can see the frame. Look at the frame rails, how clean they are.
But look, so if you guys look, there's no like.
He took all the scratches out of the wrap.
Yeah. So
it's pretty crazy.
Shout out to John.
John, my boy, John.
But he did.
Did you do the interior or no?
It was. I mean, I don't think he coated it. But
Oh, okay. Well, the interior's already done, I guess, but everything's
he
clean.
cleaned it last time. But
Ooh, show us the gauge. Show us the gauge.
A
little handheld.
So, Livernois finally came out their own.
So you guys know I use an N gauge, and Lund has their own software for the N gauge, but this is like an actual Livernois built handheld, which is pretty cool. So Kevin can log his car, he can clear codes, he can diagnose,
I got 3
data
tunes
log.
on there. So we've got E85 normal, X80 or C85 and C85 and nitrous.
Whoa, what? Let's show them the nitrous system. I've never shown anybody. I'm sure you guys have seen it on Kevin's channel, but no, I want to see the direct port. I don't care about the bottle.
It's
Look how nice this nitrous system. This is like rich boy nitrous shit.
Well, luckily for me,
I'm a baller.
Sponsor.
Oh, shout out Jace for hooking up the tires in Houston.
So okay, first we did. Okay, so I deleted the stupid ass thing.
Reservoir.
Yeah, and but yeah, it's direct port. So
Ooh.
with the
A lot of
fuel.
people don't do these on Hellcats. Like on other cars, like
No,
Vets and stuff, they do direct port.
A lot of people just do the plate system.
But yeah,
It's a lot
because on a
cheaper.
blower, it's a pain in the ass to do it.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, so it gets a lot more expensive when you gotta do it on a blower. But
So Livernois, this came off their shop car. They used it like 3 times, I think. It's a brand new kit. The kit, I think, is it's like $3,500.
oh, I'm sure it's a lot of work, all the lines and everything. So yeah, usually people just do a throttle body plate, but he's got a direct port.
We can go try the nitrous if you want.
Oh god. Oh, that's nice.
John gave me that.
Yeah.
So I don't need it.
I need to put my CA one on still.
I know. Well, no. So here.
Damn, engine bay is look. I don't think your engine bay has ever looked this good. It's pretty cool because it still looks stock if it didn't have the nitrous shit on there. Because his pulley is black, the intake's black.
Now I can finally put this on. I just gotta tape it.
We gotta get some double side tape. Look at the CA one. Oof. So we'll put some tape on that.
Yeah, but
That's gonna look dope.
That's gonna look good.
That looks clean.
So I don't like all the. I mean, if you're into that shit of like changing everything, that's
Yeah,
cool. That's just,
I mean, that's clean.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So like I would get this black, maybe that black, but
Yeah, just because that plastic's all yellowy. But damn, the engine bay is looking on fleek.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Damn.
Yeah.
That's big boy shit. I'm just a little guy.
So we'll get some double size too.
Man, the wrap looks good though. It's crazy. How old's the wrap now? 2 years, 3 years?
2.5.
Damn, 2.5 years this wrap has been on here. So this is what happens when you take care of your wraps. Like they'll last just like paint. I mean, I'm sure after like, 7, 8 years, but like this thing is not faded at all. Look at that. Like I've seen a lot of wraps fade over time, but this wrap, it's all ceramic coated. But yeah, so he did the wheels, everything.
So,
Man, that looks good.
I know, like this is. I still think Hellcat wheels are best.
Yeah, like stock wheels are legit. You just can't put no power down. Put no power down. It looks good. Kevin retinted the tail lights.
Yep.
Oh,
We had the first Lux Auto.
Damn, that came out freaking good.
No, so this is it's a little more glossy. It came out
Say
good.
it's shiny. Damn.
So
Woof. The Charger looking legit.
yeah, he said he literally coated everything.
Look at that. Full weight. When I moved the Demon yesterday, I was like, oh, this is what the real seats feel like.
So
Comfy.
yeah, John did a good. Like he even clean underneath. Like who the fuck does that?
Yeah, no, your car looks good. The car is show car ready.
So
It's too hot to be racing. It's show season now. Damn, it looks good.
yeah, he did a good.
What's the update with the Magnum? What's going on with the Magnum?
We're waiting on the hood, which was on a 6-week back order.
Woo!
Here, I'll tell you what it is on your channel. It's a Viper hood.
Woo!
It's metal max the Trackhawk.
That'd be
That's
sick.
all we're waiting. Oh, we just need to figure out. Now we just need to have some
We
time
need
to
to
put the seats.
Yeah, we need to mount the other seats so we can go drive it around. But
Otherwise, and then I got all the suspension, brand new parts. I got to install them, and then new brakes, and it's literally done. I was telling John, we just need to have Misa wrap it. And
Misa, hopefully
besides-
Misa's coming out soon.
It is September,
September.
so we need to book that actually.
So we're bringing Misa back. If you don't remember Misa, you're not an OG.
But I don't know. I mean, it's close. Like, I just need to paint the other wheels. I'm gonna do a second coat on that one, so it's a little more like that, and then.
Good gosh. Damn.
I mean, really, that's about it, dude.
We need to drive it. Make some cool videos.
I know.
I think it's fun to drive around actually.
Well, now that we're done with the flashlight race, like I would love for this to be done. Besides the wrap, or even maybe by the time flashlight race comes.
Yeah, put it on
Be
show.
sick.
Yeah, it'd be cool. But yeah, it's ready. Just a couple things. It look like a damn fuel supply over here.
I know. So we're trying to decide if we should use the race E85 that's in town and see if my car blows up, or I have 1 5-gallon. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna log mine tomorrow. Make sure it's not giving any knock.
So yeah, Dave's gonna log his, and then if this is fine, I guess I can still log mine and send it to Dan. I don't know.
Yeah. If not, I mean, we could sell that barrel to somebody else and just get some Ignite. Quit messing around. I'm down to order a barrel of Ignite, so
I don't care.
We just need to order
I
two.
just want to be able to use the nitrous. So
So we just need to order 2, then we split the shipping.
how much is shipping?
$225 plus 40 for a second barrel, so $265.
Okay.
So $265, and then the barrel's like $330. But we'd split the shipping, so it'd only be like $4 something for a barrel.
Still cheaper than C85.
Huh?
Still cheaper than C85.
Yeah. So man, we'll get some Ignite back on the channel. I just like for me, I'd rather pay the extra and run the safe goat. I just wish we knew more about this. We just don't know anything about it. Like we tried to Google, I even Facebook, and I couldn't find anything. I mean, I found a few posts, but I don't know. But it is pure E85. Like we tested it, the race gas split up, and it tested at like
we just
90.
don't know what the race gas is.
Yeah,
Like,
they say it's 98, but you know, you never
'cause
know.
if this is not 98 or 95, and then I put that with the nitrous, I think it'll fuck it up.
Yeah.
So
Kev go kaboom. So, well, you know, that's streetcar stuff. But yeah, we look like a damn fuel supplier over here. We got C85, X85, C16, Ignite E90, SPX85. I'm pretty sure there's some Pump E85 in here somewhere.
probably.
All the 85s. So, huge shout out to Manuel from Midnight. He FaceTimed me. I called him because we couldn't figure out how to get the you know, it's a pain in the ass to stab the motor to the tranny when it's all jacked up and stuff. So I called him like, dude, we're having trouble with this. And we're like, where's the hole to get the torque converter bolts? And so he showed us this hole that we didn't even know was on the driver's side to get to the torque converter bolts. And then we found out Branson had a nut that was holding us back, like on one of the bolts. Oh. So, but shout out to Manuel from Midnight. The engine trans is together. It's bolted together. So, a couple bolts. So, tomorrow's Branson's birthday. You guys will see this on Branson's birthday. But tomorrow we're going to go work on it, hopefully get it all buttoned up. And then Friday he wants to actually start it. So, and start putting some miles on it. So, it'll be cool to have Branson's car back. I feel bad. Like, I had the car for 2 weeks and it blew up. Like, that's not fun.
Dan told me I need to change the oil like every 1,000 miles.
That's what I've been doing on mine. Just, I mean, it's just one of those safety
things. He's like, if you're beating on it every 1,000, he's like...
That's stroker life right there, boy.
So...
Boy. And Kevin put the exhaust back on, which I like.
Yeah.
The cutoff crap is too much. It's obnoxious.
It sounds way better.
Yeah. It sounds good. But, yeah, so we're pretty much... Thursday and Friday. Hopefully Friday be logging Branson's car. It'd be cool. Branson's car is going to be fast. It's going to be fast. He's got bigger turbos than the other LPF cars in town. And now he's got a built motor. So really the only thing holding him back is the trans. But I think the trans will hold like 12, 13 PSI, which is pretty fast. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, make sure you follow Kevin at CaliBoyKev. October 5th, second flashlight shootout. You better be there. Follow me at VanV39. I will see you guys on the next one.